Module 4, Lesson 23's objective is to use number bonds to break apart three-digit minuends and subtract from the hundred. Problem 1. Solve using number bonds to subtract from 100. The first one has been done for you. Let's take a look at problem A. 105 minus 90 equals 15. As you can see, the example shows that the number 105 has been decomposed to be the same as 100 plus 5, and then the problem continues on with minus 90. The next step shows that they took the 100 and subtracted 90 from it to get 10. Then they took that 10 and added the 5 right here. 10 plus 5 is 15. And this is how they got the answer 15. Let's try to use this strategy when solving item B. If I decompose 121, it would be 100 plus 20 plus 1, and then over here minus 90. I already know that 100 minus 90 equals 10. Now I'm going to take that 10 and add it to the 20 plus 1. 10 plus 20 is 30, plus 1 is 31. So my answer is 31. You could even do it simpler than that. You could have taken the 100 and added it to 21 instead of 20 plus 1, and then subtract 90. Instead of decomposing completely to be 100 plus 20 plus 1. Then you would have 100 minus 90, which is 10. And then take that 10 and add the 21 to get 31. Let's do another sample together. Item C, 112 minus 80. We can decompose 112 to be 100 plus 12, and then minus 80. We know already that 100 minus 80 is 20. Now we take that 20 and add that 12, and we get 32. If your child feels like that they need to decompose 112 all the way, it would look like this. 100 plus 10 plus 2, then minus 80. 100 minus 80 is 20. Take that 20 and add in the 10 plus 2 from above. 20 plus 10 is 30, and then plus 2 equals 32. Some kids need to decompose the three-digit number completely, while others can do it the faster way. Either way you do it, you still get the same answer. Now you use this strategy to complete items D, E, and F on your own. Module 4, Lesson 23's objective is to use number bonds to break apart three-digit minuends and subtract from the hundred. Item G, 156 minus 80. First, we need to decompose 156. 156 can be decomposed like this. 100 plus 50 plus 6. And then we subtract the 80. 100 minus 80 is 20. Now take that 20 and add the 50 plus 6. $20 plus 50 is 70, and then keep the plus 6, which equals 76. Now there's an easier way to solve this problem. You still have to decompose 156, but you can do it in a shorter way. You can do it like this: 100 plus 56, and then subtract the 80. 100 minus 80 is 20. Now take that 20 and add in the 56 and get 76. No matter which way you decompose the 3-digit number, you still get the same answer. Now you do item H yourself. Problem 2. Monica incorrectly solved 132 minus 70 to get 102. Show her how to solve it correctly. In the box it says, correct way to solve 132 minus 70. The first thing you need to do is decompose 132. She did that part correct. She wrote 100, and then plus 32 should have been included. And then here's what she forgot, to write minus 70. On the next step, she wrote 100 minus 30 when she should have written 100 minus 70 equals 30. Then she should have taken that 30 and added in the 32. And that equals 62. And last, problem 3. Billy sold 50 fewer magazines than Alex. Alex sold 128 magazines. How many magazines did Billy sell? The first thing you should do is underline the important details. Billy sold 50 fewer magazines than Alex. Alex sold 128 magazines. Now highlight the question, how many magazines did Billy sell? If you don't have a highlighter, you could use a yellow crayon or circle the question. All right, now, if Billy sold 50 fewer magazines than Alex, we have to take the amount that Alex sold, which is 128, and subtract 50 from it, because Billy sold 50 fewer. That means less than Alex. Now that you have this math problem, you should be able to use the strategies we used on item G and 2 to solve this problem. Once you get the answer, you don't want to forget that you have to answer the question in a sentence. How many magazines did Billy sell? Billy sold blank magazines. Remember, with story or word problems, first we read the question and underline the important details. Draw the way the problem is solved, and then write an answer to the question. Read, draw, write. That's the process that is used.